my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to know when to harvest your green beans for the best flavor. Here's a clip from the show. That are ready to harvest. So what we're looking for here is not necessarily length, but how fat around this bean is. And if you're not sure, just taste test a few. So when they get to a certain thickness, the flavor will kick in. It won't taste green, it'll taste sweet. Let's see, I saw another one. There's just a few getting started. Where are you, little bean? Oh, here's one. Here's another one that's, you can see they got both about the same girth on them. And whether it's long or short, you want to be picking by how fat around it is. So these are both ready to go, and there's plenty on the way. So we're going to have a very nice bean crop here next week for sure, and I do want to get in here and pick midweek because I don't want them to get oversized. So I'm going to go ahead and cruise through here and just make sure there's not any that need to come off today. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 22. If you'd like to watch the whole show and follow the bean plants, the show is free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.